I found out about your show through YouTube, and I have a question I need answered, so I figured you could help. My fiance actually is on an H-2B program that ends at the end of the month, meaning he'd be sent back. But we had a baby, July 4th. Thank you very much. So now he's kind of like, oh my gosh, I don't want to leave you guys, and talking about marriage before he goes back, but wants to know if that's even possible to get married and actually move forward with the paperwork, or do we not have enough time, including will he still have his 10-day grace period?
Okay. Couple of questions. You're a U.S. citizen.
Yes.
And you're free to marry.
And he's from Jamaica.
Right. You're free to marry. He's free to marry, I assume. Everybody's free to marry. Nobody has prior husbands or wives that need to be divorced.
No, I've been divorced for 5 years.
Okay.
He's never been married.
Okay. Go get married. You have plenty of time to get married. I don't know what the waiting time in Kentucky is, but in New York, it's 24 hours. So you buy a license and 24 hours later, you can get married. And 24 hours after that, you can file an adjustment application. And if you file the adjustment application, your fiance, who will then be your husband, will be in legal status. And he may not get a work permit for 4, 5, 6 months, but it's no big deal. I mean, in the scheme of life, he gets to stay here with you. And he'll get his green card in the United States of America. And between me, you, and anyone else who's listening, if he works undocumented, he'll still get his green card.
Right. Okay. And then one last part to that. How much time do we have? If we actually already have our license. It's good for 30 days.
Great.
That's been done for a couple weeks now. I was wondering, how long do we actually have to get that paperwork in? His visa ends at the end of the month.
Well, if you want him to be in legal status every day, make sure it's filed by the end of the month before his visa expires.
Okay.
If you don't care if he's in status or out of status for an extra week or two, because they'll still accept his application, even if he's undocumented, and he'll still get his green card. But if you're concerned about him being undocumented even for a week or two, then just make sure you can get married tomorrow. You have the license. Go get married. It takes a week to put the paperwork together. It's no big deal. And if 3 days, let's say, I'm just making this up, let's say it's August 30th is his last day and the application gets filed September 7th. Nobody's coming to deport him between August 30th and September 7th. You'll file the paperwork. It'll still be accepted. He'll still get his work permit and green card.
Okay, yeah, because I do have to have a joint sponsor, so that would still be okay?
Yep. Let him stay here and get married, because if he goes back to Jamaica, he's not going to see his kid and he's not going to see you for at least 2 years or longer.
Right, because he was wanting to know, can he just come back on the H-2B program and marry me then?
He can, but the best thing to do is do it right now.
Marry before he goes back. That's what we thought.
And then he's not going back. He's going to stay here and adjust.
Right, exactly, which is what we've been researching. Thank you very much, Brad. I appreciate it.